Hey guys, Alec Peirce at the ranch with another little tip, a little idea. Now this is purely accidental. I was in one of my favorite stores. It's called Princess Auto. It's only in Canada. Sorry, you guys in the United States and elsewhere, only in Canada, like Tetley tea. Is it Tetley? Anyway, Princess Auto was kind of like Harbor Freight, but much cleaner and classier. But anyway, so I was in there walking around and I saw, hey, geez, that's handy. So I grabbed it. I got it home, I opened it up, and it really is a great idea. And I'm playing with it. And all of a sudden I realized this is my grip. One of my favorite tool maker, toy and accessory makers. Grip, that's Grand Rapids Industrial Products. Don't worry about that, called Grip. And they have, if you go back in my videos, you'll see we've done 2 or 3 features on Grip products. They've sent me a few over the years. I don't know why they didn't send me this one. This is a great idea. But anyway, I bought it, and here it is. This is a 20-piece wire brush kit. Doesn't matter about the number of pieces. Now what this is, very simply, is nylon, brass, and steel brushes. So if you are you doing anything, modelers or mechanics or restorers or anything with tools, you know, you're always using brushes and you're always wearing them out, and you normally they're on a handle and you go like this one. This is a fantastic idea, because what this is, let me just quickly show you. First of all, in each of those is the nylon, the brass, and the steel. There is a 1/4, a 3/8, a 1/2, a 5/8, a 3/4, and a 1-inch brush. Let me pull this out for a minute and I'll show you what I mean. So there's a 1-inch, you see that, Kev? There's a 1-inch brass brush, and there's a 3/4, and there's a 1/2, and a 3/8, and a 5, whatever those sizes were that I mentioned to you. So there's all the different sizes of brass brushes. Looks like there's 6 of each, okay? And that's really handy, right? There's those little brushes for cleaning up all kinds of stuff. But what makes this fantastic is that these are really well made, first of all, and they're mounted on a standard, I don't know what that is actually called, socket type, the same that you use for your drive sockets and all kinds of things. And it comes with a handle, so you can put this into the handle, lock it in place, okay? Lock it in place like that. And now you can spin this, you can go like that and so on. And this will obviously mount in a drill. Yes, you can put this into a drill if you want. In fact, you can put this into a drill and put an extension on it that comes with it. So you get the handle, well made, really well made. Grip stuff is really good. And you get the extension, and then you get the brush. Remember, there's nylon and brass and steel. I think it's a great, I don't know what this was, 20 bucks, maybe something like that. You couldn't buy all that many brushes for 20 bucks, much less a handle and extension. But I'm going to be using this a lot. I guarantee you, I'll put this into my brush. I can do it up in the bore, small things, carburetors, all kinds of stuff. So there you go, guys. I just thought it was a great thing if you're looking around. I'm sure you can get it online. Grip, G-R-I-P, Grip, 20-piece wire brush set. Now it's actually nylon and brass and steel, but it's just a fantastic idea. So if you see one of these, grab it. If you're into mechanics, fixing things, restoring things, and so on, I know I'm going to be using mine a heck of a lot. Okay, so there you go, Grip wire brush set. Okay, I gotta go. I got a carburetor I have to clean for my motorcycle, and I'm all set to go. See you guys. Alec Peirce at the ranch.